Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. I know it's been a while. If any of you have noticed, I don't know. Yeah, so I've been doing other things and kind of got out of the creating sort of mood, but I still like to create. I've just been a little bit of a slacker lately. And, well, I had to make some quick gift tags, so I thought I would turn on the camera and see what I come up with. This is the second round. The other ones, well, they got halfway done and got thrown in the garbage. That's what happens when you're out of practice, right? You just can't come up with anything. So I decided to do some circle tags, and I've just glued some old book text onto it's actually watercolor paper, to stiffen it up, and I have a lot of Christmas washi tape. I was telling my sister the other day, when I gave her the tags, that I just keep using it and it never runs out. One of these days, maybe. I might have a little teeny tin that has random Christmas stuff in it, and this is one of the supplies in there. And I'm just creating Christmas ornament like tags. I figured I'd use the washi tape and make it look like a Christmas ornament. And yeah, that's the whole plan. I'm using glue sticks so that I can be sure they will stick on long enough to get delivered to people. So yeah, it is last minute, and it is Christmas Eve when this is going to air, which is tomorrow morning. So happy Christmas to everyone. Happy holidays for whatever you celebrate. I hope you have a great time. It's pretty cold here. It would be nice if it snowed, but I think it's a little too cold to snow. We'll see though. It might happen. So now I decided to make a little topper. You know how the round ornaments have that little thing on the top? So that's what I'm making out of the paper. And I'm really sorry that half the time I'm practically off screen. New Year's resolution, fix my camera setup. Oh, maybe I could buy me something that would hold my camera above my table. It is actually slightly off to the side, and a table better than a TV tray. Cause I don't know if it's getting weaker, because I use it all the time. But it wiggles a lot now, a lot more than it used to when I'm working on it. So that's another New Year's resolution, right? Get me a decent setup. That might motivate me to create and film more, right? Anyway, so I have a kind of a bronze marker, but it's not looking very metallic on this paper. This is watercolor paper, so it's very absorbent, so you don't get the reflectiveness of it. But I think it works okay for what we're doing with it. I mean, these tags are going on the neighbor gifts that we're going to be sending out. So I sent them out yesterday. So I did it. Made these on Thursday. Gave the neighbor gifts out on, well, Wednesday, Thursday. Recording on voiceover on Friday. Anyways, yeah, it is cutting it kind of close, isn't it? It is. So I've got those on, and now I'm just using some glue to attach those. I didn't show you because I was totally off screen. Like, I know it's been a little while since I've used my camera setup, but I don't think I've moved anything. So I don't understand why it's not lined up where it should be. Anyway. So I decided they needed something. So I'm just taking a piece of, and I think this is just cardstock, and putting some red marker on there. That is Crink paint marker. It works pretty good. I mean, if that's paint, because I've had that quite a while, and it's still working. Like most of the paint markers I use, if I don't use them for a while, they dry up and don't work anymore. Must have a good lid or something. Keeps it nice and fresh. So I'm just going to glue those on. It'll be like a little red reflection or something. I don't know. Just trying to make it interesting. I haven't done a lot of talking in a while, so every time I talk, I want to cough. But here they are. I hope you like that. I know it was a quickie. I hope you have happy holidays. And if I don't see you before the first of the year, Happy New Year too. Have an awesome day.